Welcome to the Delaware County Register of Wills online record search. I'm Rachel Ezell Berry, the Register of Wills. The purpose of this video is teaching you about searching for probated estates online. Let's get started. I first want to discuss some features of the online records search service. Our entire office is very excited to finally be able to offer this free service to the public. Because this service is free, you do not need an account and you do not need to pay to use it. The service is also much faster than the services that we've offered in the past. It can be done from anywhere using a device and an internet connection, and you no longer need to wait for a clerk from our office to research and get back to you. Finally, it can also help you determine whether to purchase records from us online. The link displayed on your screen is where you would do that if you determine that you would indeed like to purchase records from us online. I also want to briefly share what our public records show and what they don't show. You will be able to view basic decedent and estate information, information about the personal representative, the information about any attorneys assigned to the case, if there are any, and finally, you'll be able to view what documents are available for your later purchase, should you choose to do so. Those sorts of documents might include something like a will or letters. I want to stress that our online records does not show the image of the actual documents. The reason for that is protecting privacy concerns and other issues that arise when many documents become available online for anyone to view. Again, if you need a copy or a certified copy of any probate or estate document, you must still order it from our office and wait to receive it. When using our new online record search, the first thing you want to do is click the Login as Guest button. You do not need a guest account. You do not need a name and password. Logging in as guest will give you access to our system. The first screen you'll see involves our disclaimer. If you feel satisfied with the disclaimer, you can click Accept to continue. This will bring you to the screen that shows what you would like to do today, as well as any current announcements. If you're here to look for probate or estate documents, you want to look under the header of what would you like to do today and select the Search Public Records option. This will bring you to the Select Search Type screen. On this screen, you'll see available many different search types that you can use to search our online records. For purposes of discussing how to look up documents associated with an estate probated in Delaware County, we're going to focus on the Search Types Case Names option. The specific criteria that corresponds to the Case Names option involves name type, name options, name, death date, and filing date. For purposes of this video, I'm going to focus on searching by name, but of course you can use any of the specific criteria that you think would be most helpful to you. When searching for name, make sure to search last name first. The way that our system is set up is you would need to search for Smith John if the decedent's name was John Smith. So for example, because my name is Rachel Berry, if I typed in Rachel Berry, it may be the case that no documents were pulled when in fact there was a record for someone with my name. So please make sure to either search with just the last name, such as Berry, to see all records that correspond to people with the last name of Berry, or to search Berry Rachel to make sure that you get an accurate search result. Once you've inputted the name that you would like to search, click the search option next to the magnifying glass on the right side of your screen. After searching, you'll either be brought to a screen with search results, or you'll receive a message in red font that no documents were found that matched the specified criteria. This could be for more than one reason. It could in fact be that we don't have any documents on file that match your criteria. But I want to flag again to make sure that if you're searching by name, to search last name first, not first name first, because otherwise you might not have the accurate information. This is something just to keep in mind as you search our online records. If you proceed to the case search results screen, you'll see the number of records that correspond to the search that you looked for. Now, depending on what you searched, you'll either have something like one record, or maybe you'll have a good number. In this example, there are 14 items displayed on the screen. If you searched a very generic last name, consider whether the screen is displaying all items that were brought by your search, or whether you need to navigate forward to additional pages that might match your search criteria. If you would like to look at a specific file number associated with a case, you click on the blue hyperlinked file number on the left side of the screen that corresponds to the name of interest in your search. This is the case search details screen. It defaults to the tab listed Decedent and Estate Information. You can navigate through the tabs to get more information, but the Decedent and Estate Info tab should display various information, including the decedent's name, address, and some various estate information, such as the case file number, the filing date, letters granted, etc. If you would like to navigate to the Representatives tab, that will provide information as to the personal representative of the estate that you are currently viewing. If you proceed to the Attorneys tab, you'll be able to view whether there was an attorney or more than one attorney that was associated with this specific estate. If you proceed to the Documents tab, you'll see what documents are available for the estate that you're currently searching. Now, the documents that are available will vary from estate to estate as it depends what was presented at the time of probate. If you would like to determine a few more details about a specific document, you want to click the blue hyperlink under the Document heading that corresponds to the document type that is of interest to you. Clicking on the blue hyperlink will display case instrument details. In this example, I've clicked on a will, and the information shows me when it was filed and the number of pages associated with the will that was presented for probate. Again, our online system search does not permit you to look at the image of the document. Rather, it confirms the existence of the document and provides some basic information like the number of pages. If you would like to return to the case to see additional documents, click Back to Case on the right-hand side of your screen. Various documents may be available associated with a certain estate, but for your reference, the types of documents that may be associated with an estate or maybe have been brought for probate are displayed on your screen now and can include documents like an inheritance tax return, a certificate of notice, a will, and other documents. Again, this will vary depending on the estate. If based on the records of your search, you've determined that you would like to purchase a copy of one of the documents that is available for the estate, you can proceed to the link on your screen and make a purchase online. Please understand that it takes our office approximately 14 days to process your request, and after that time, depending on what you requested, your document will either be placed in the US mail or emailed to you. So please consider the length of time it may take to obtain the document of interest. We offer for certain documents PDF copies, certified copies, and exemplified copies. More information about the copies we offer and how to order them are available on our website. This brings us to the end of the Delaware County Register of Wills Searching for Probated Estates online video. I'm Rachel Ezell Berry, the Register of Wills. On behalf of my entire office, we're very excited to offer this service to you. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I hope you enjoy our new feature.